What's up, you guys? It's your girl Nylene Giselle, and I'm coming to you with my own personal DIY hair protein mask. So the first thing I like to use is coconut oil or olive oil, raw unfiltered honey, of course mayonnaise, an avocado, and a conditioner of your choice. I like to use the Texture My Way Texture Control Deep Treatment Mask. So I just added the one avocado, and then I go in with 2 tablespoons of the raw unfiltered honey. I just think that that's the best. And 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. If you want to use the extra virgin olive oil, you most definitely can, but today I'm going to use the coconut oil. And then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the Texture Control Deep Treatment Mask. Then I went ahead and was like, let me just add the rest of the avocado. It won't hurt. So then I blend it all together. That's way easier. If you have a blender, do it that way. Trust me. We get all the clumps out from the avocado that way. So you should get like a thick kind of pasty, I don't know how to explain it, kind of like a deep conditioner-ish. It looks really nasty, but I promise you it smells so blazing, y'all. So here I have freshly washed hair. I think I let it dry for maybe 10-15 minutes, but it's definitely still wet. So the first thing I do is just section my hair off, because my hair is like, it's pretty thick, but not too much, not too long. So I just like to do it at least in 4s. If you want to do it in 6, you can. Just so you make sure that each part of your hair gets saturated in the mask. I think that's like very important. So just put it in little buns to section it off and keep the hair out the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just part it down the side and then put the front piece into a bun, so that way I could just deal with the back piece. So what I really love about this mask is that it has so much slip. Like, I don't know, like the avocado mixed with the coconut oil, just it has so much slip. You can literally detangle your hair. My hair was already detangled in this video, but it just, like, it's so easy for me to just rake my fingers through the hair. Like, do you see how saturated that piece is? It's literally blazing, y'all. Like, y'all gotta try it. So basically what I'm doing right here is just making sure that I got enough product throughout the entire section of the hair. And you can always go in and add, like this mask that I made with the measurements. I really got a decent amount, so somebody with longer hair can use the same measurements as well, because I had some left over at the end of the video. So what I'm doing right now is just twisting it up. And basically I'm doing the same thing to the front. You want to really be generous. I think that's how you get the best. What am I trying to say? Like, you get the best results in the end. So don't be scared to like put a lot in your hair. You can already see how shiny my hair looks. So you just rake it through once again. And I just added more, just wasn't enough. And then put that into a twist and a bun. So with this clip, I just zoomed in so you guys can see how easy it is for me to rake through my hair. I do have like tangle prone hair because it is blonde, so it gets really dry. I could detangle it in about 20 minutes. Literally, it's tangled again as it dries. So that's basically it, you guys. After you part it, you just add wherever you think you need. I just put some of my roots, put a stocking cap on, and I left it on for about an hour. You don't even need to leave it on for that long. But that's really it. Make sure you really check this out. This did wonders for my wash and go after I rinsed it out. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And add me on Instagram too. Bye.